Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and proximity so signal strength is solid. Once done, close background Bluetooth apps and briefly disable Wi-Fi to reduce interference, because overlapping radios cause dropouts. Reboot the headphones and the source device to clear temporary faults. If the pair is old, forget the device in Bluetooth settings and repair, which resets profiles and codecs. These first actions often eliminate simple stutter by restoring a clean connection and correct audio negotiation. Next, inspect codec and audio settings because mismatched codecs or high sample rates create buffer underruns. You can force a compatible codec, aptX or AAC, via developer options on many devices, which improves stability. Make sure sample rate is set to 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz in the playback app so streaming needs less bandwidth. Also, disable battery saver or aggressive CPU modes on the phone or laptop. They can throttle Bluetooth processes and introduce stutter. Finish by updating firmware on the headphones and the host operating system, because manufacturers release fixes for audio glitches. If stutter continues, test with a different phone or computer and try a wired connection to determine whether the issue is the headphones or the network. If everything else fails, perform a factory reset on the headphones to clear corrupt configs. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent stutter remains, move to a different physical location microwave. Cordless phones or crowded Wi-Fi channels often cause recurring interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.